It's a Saturday today. The kiln is still a little bit hot, but it's about 100 degrees or so, maybe 90. I turned it off, but glaze it today. And here we go. That's one of my students made, which it's beautiful, but again, it's a turquoise. The same turquoise, and as you can tell here, there are bubbles. I warned her. I said to her, you know, but she said she didn't mind. I mean, I think it's pretty, even though it has bubbles. It is what it is. That's an ashtray that I made. What do you think? Nice?
Very nice.
You didn't think that when I made it. You said it wasn't completely good. Well,
no, it's not big enough, I think, in the middle.
Nobody smokes a cigarette that big. Stop arguing with me. Well, that I loved it. It's black clay, antique blue, and it's a soap dish.
Very nice.
I think it's perfect. Yeah. All right. Wow, that turned out to be beautiful. That Kochi made, one of my students, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. She's gonna love it. I think it's one of her best works. What do you think, Ella?
Cute.
Pretty. That's a dwarf that she made. I like it. You see, it's a dotted clay, so you can see the dots. Even though she painted it with underglaze, you can still see the dots. Again, that's beautiful. That's even more beautiful. That's my daughter, Barburit. Ran made this. Well, unfortunately, I mean, it's beautiful. I mean, there's nothing bad I can say about it. It's perfect. But the name Julia doesn't really show. I mean, he did try. You tried.
Yeah.
Yep. But it's beautiful. Gorgeous. Well, that's something. Wow. I didn't think that would happen.
What happened?
What happened? Can't you see?
The chipping here?
The chipping, yeah. It wasn't there before, but it's
Stuck to the shelf?
It's stuck to the shelf, and I didn't expect it because this is the third time that I'm firing this. Because the second time I did it, I don't know why I decided that if I was gonna put it on low firing. Now I stopped doing low firing because I decided it's just no good, low firing. I used to make fire 1050 degrees, if I'm not mistaken. I made it a couple of years ago, and it started cracking, and since we actually used it for our tea, cracked, and I never used it again. So I decided that maybe I would fire it again on high firing. And since I'm using this, I use this stroke coat, and it's also for high firing. I decided that I was going to use this again.
So you put another coat on it?
No, I didn't. I just used the same coat. I mean, the same glazing as before. I just put it in. That's it. But, I mean, I'll send it and we can use it. I think it's pretty and we'll see how it goes.
So what was the purpose of this additional firing?
Well, now if we use it for tea, it's not going to crack. That's the... Where am I going to put it? Yeah. You see? I'm going to have to send it. No biggie. No biggie. I'll just send it.
What's that?
Wow.
It's a snail.
It's a snail, but it turned out to be so pretty. Wow. That Kochi made it. She had a couple of minutes before before the end of her lesson here, and she decided to do it. Well, I can't do it with the gloves. Just gonna have to burn my hands. Yes, no, yes. Can I pick it up? Yes. Ouch. Okay. I'm gonna take care of you later. Okay. Why didn't... Oh. Okay, I was afraid something might happen. Oh, again, bubbles. That's the same student Liat made it. But it's pretty. No? She wanted 4 different... It's like a set of plates, and she wanted 4 different glazes, so I like them. I think she would love it. Oh, wow, that turned out to be gorgeous.
Yes, very nice.
Yeah, wow. She would love it, really. That, wow, that's nice. Adas made it. Beautiful, huh? Okay, that's my dear Kochi again. She made it for her sister. Let's see if I can pull this up without burning myself. No. Let's do this. This she made for her sister, if I believe. I can't pick it up. All right. What does it say? Arbel. It's beautiful, no?
Yes, it is. It's for
nice.
the door, for the...
Yeah. It's the family name. Okay, last one. Okay. Wow. Wow. What can I say? I'm perfect. Sasha. Wow, isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
A little tiny bubble. No biggie. Max. Another bubble. No biggie. Gal.
So what are you doing with the bubbles? You send them?
Yeah. Adi.
Oh, beautiful. That's very nice cup.
Yes, Hadas made it.
Mm-hmm.
Tomorrow she's coming. She's gonna love it. Okay. So, overall, not bad. And that's it. So we'll see you next video. Hope you like it. If you have any comments, I'll be happy to hear them. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.